High above the shimmering waters of Lake Lucerne, rising gracefully to over 1,100 meters above sea level, lies one of Switzerland's best-kept secrets, Bürgenstock Mountain. Tucked away in the heart of central Switzerland, Bürgenstock isn't just a mountain, it's an experience. A sanctuary of natural beauty, timeless luxury, and history woven through every cliff and corner. Let's begin our journey at the base, on the shores of Lake Lucerne. As you board the Bürgenstock shuttle boat from Lucerne, the lake breeze welcomes you, and the peaks ahead seem to rise like a dream from the water. The short cruise is only the beginning of a journey that promises serenity, elegance, and breathtaking views. Upon arriving, a funicular railway, a piece of Swiss engineering dating back to the late 19th century, awaits to carry you up to the Bürgenstock resort. And as you ascend, the landscape begins to unfold: lush meadows, dramatic cliffs, and panoramic vistas over the lake and mountains. Once at the top, the feeling is unmistakable. You are standing on a balcony of the Alps. From here, you can see far across the water to the towns below, framed by snowy peaks and rolling green hills. It is no wonder that for over 150 years, this mountain has attracted royalty, celebrities, and visionaries. The Bürgenstock Resort, newly renovated and reopened in 2017, blends classic Swiss charm with modern luxury. From the beginning, this mountaintop escape has welcomed guests like Audrey Hepburn, who was famously married in the local chapel, and Charlie Chaplin, who often vacationed here. The resort is more than just a hotel, it's a world of its own. There are luxurious suites, fine dining restaurants, and the world-renowned Alpine Spa, where infinity pools seem to melt into the horizon. Imagine relaxing in warm water, high above the lake, watching clouds drift below you. But beyond the glamour, Bürgenstock is deeply connected to nature. Hiking trails wind through forests and meadows, offering quiet solitude and spectacular vistas. One of the most famous paths is the Felsenweg, or rock path. Carved into the cliffside, this gentle trail leads you along the edge of the mountain, through tunnels and over bridges, revealing sweeping views of Lake Lucerne and the Alps beyond. At the end of the trail stands the legendary Hammerschwand lift, the highest outdoor elevator in Europe. Built in 1905, this vertical lift rises 152 meters in under a minute, taking you to the mountain's highest point. The ride is short, but the memory lasts forever. From the top, the 360-degree view will leave you breathless: mountains, lakes, and sky blending into a living painting. Bürgenstock is a place where contrasts coexist: quiet nature and sophisticated luxury, ancient paths and modern design, relaxation and adventure. In the summer, the hills come alive with wildflowers, the lake below sparkles under long days of sun, and the hiking paths invite you to wander endlessly.